we are so excited to welcome Heather Leverich and Dwight Trollinger with Conservatory of the Ozarks along, well, no, it's just Dwight. I thought there were going to be more students. But anyways, it's so great to have you both. Before we get to the interview, we got to hear Dwight.
Yes.
Dwight, we're going to let you take it away.
Ready.
What is he going to be singing?
Performing?
Creep, cover by Radiohead.
All
It's
right.
the original, yeah.
All right.
Well,
His
let's
own
take it
twist,
away.
though.
When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, she's running out of time. She's running, run, run, run. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so very special. I wish I was special. And I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. The hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
Woo!
Oh, fantastic. I love that song.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, what a great song.